So guys, welcome back to Aswood channel regarding hobbies. So this one I want to do a little uh, emergency tips. I just got back home like yesterday from a trip, and then I want to edit my video, and I found out that my DJI Osmo Pocket is not working. I thought it was the memory card. I show you before I go to that some of the clip that I already uh, done here. I wanted to do a tutorial on a TV, but once I edit it, it was blank, no sound whatsoever. So I was quite panicked just now. So I thought that maybe I need to do something about it. So after tried many things, so it suddenly start to work again. Let me show you the first clip, no sound whatsoever. The last clip, I did try this, but warning, this one is a bit annoying. Satu, dua, tiga. Wah! Sorry about that. I just trying a different pattern. So what I did is I tried this many times. Actually, I tried it like 3 times. The first one it didn't work. I already delete the video I tried after I tried to calibrate or reset my Osmo Pocket. This one is the first Osmo Pocket. I didn't do any video about this yet, but I make lots of my video editing or my video using this Osmo Pocket because I like the texture or the color grading of the DJI Osmo Pocket 1. Uh, because Osmo Pocket 2 is not good. Currently, people are using Osmo Pocket 3, but they want the color grading or the footage, film footage or video footage is a bit like iPhone. So I prefer the Osmo Pocket 1. I was quite panicked just now because it's not working. So the card is I already set it on my PC. So what I did is I go here, you slide down like this. So the first one you will see is quality, and the second one is settings. One is settings, so you press setting. So you have battery, calibration, uh, tire control, and auto power off. So you slide again, there will be storage. I think that one is the internal storage accessories, anti flickers, and then you click more. Once you click more, there's a language. This one language is common one, you can choose whatever you like. So device info, you can see the firmware. This one gimbal firmware, battery info, and so forth. But you need to press reset. So then you click OK, then it will reset. But I didn't want to reset because I reset only 3 times. Already done it tonight 3 times, so I was quite worried that it's already broken. Actually, when I have this, I have one issue with my batteries. So I sent to one of the local drone repair shop. It was called OT Drone in where? In Subang. So if you have problem with the DJI product, I recommend OT Drone. They didn't pay me, but I think it's when I changed battery was it's good as new, but this is the new one. What happens? Then after a few times I reset it. First time it didn't work. Second time I tried to record again. I tried to listen on PC and on Filmora editing software. I found that it's still not working. And the third time I try again to reset, then it works. So if you have this problem, maybe you want to try 2 times. Good luck to you guys. Hopefully it's not broken. I read and I watched some videos that say if you're lucky, you can get back that sound. If you're not lucky, maybe you can send to repair shop like this one. This on this game as well. So thank you for watching. I see you guys next one.